welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another product review, and this one is of course from Garnier Skinactive. I love Garnier Skinactive products, and I received a full size of their Water Rose Micellar Cleansing Water, and this is a 4-in-1, and it is hydrating. And this is good for all types of skin, and yes, even sensitive skin. So I received this product for free through PinchMe, and of course I wanted to try this product out for the first time so that you guys, I guess I can save you guys some time on whether or not you should invest in this product. So what I have with me, they recommend that you use these. So I have some cotton oval pads, just some regular cotton oval pads. These are from Dollar General. Don't have to spend a lot to get a lot. It's rose water, so of course I'm sure it's gonna smell exactly the same. And I was right, it just has like a hint of rose. It smells really good. But the good thing about this Garnier Skinactive is that you do not have to wash your face. This is not one of those foaming things. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna put this product to the test. So as you guys can see, it did a really good job removing the foundation off my face. So I'm going to go ahead, try this again and see what it does with my eyeliner and my mascara. So as you guys can see, this is still working on the foundation. It's removing makeup, it's removing foundation, it's removing my eyeliner that I had on. So I'm gonna go to my trusty pads again, and I'm gonna see how quickly it removes this red lipstick. So I was wearing matte lipstick, and it just basically, you can see that it's gone. However, it looks like it's more like rolls of like little red balls instead of looking like actual lipstick on here. And that just could be because of the fact that it's matte lipstick. But clearly you see the lipstick is gone, and yeah, I don't see any negatives about it. So this product was definitely well made. It easily removed the foundation off, easily removed off the eyeliner and the mascara, as well as the lipstick. And I think the biggest plus about this is that it doesn't burn my eyes. When I rubbed around my eyes and everything, I literally could have kept them open because I didn't feel anything when I opened my eyes. No stinging, no funny sensations. To the touch, this is cool in your face when you first put it on, but that's about it. This is a really good product. And once again, Garnier, you guys are killing the scene right now. I love you all's products. This one was definitely a thumbs up. And if you guys are interested in purchasing this, I will have it down below in the description box. And guys, if you haven't already, I have 2 more videos where I do product reviews on them. These are not sponsored. These are just 100% my opinions that I use to tell you all about, as well as PinchMe when I am done using their products. And guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you all in my next product review. Bye.